Governor Newsom spoke in Tulare County today where he addressed concerns about getting vaccines to rural communities and disadvantaged populations. He also shared statistics that show virus rates are slowing down and vaccine distribution is going up. Our Liv Johnson with a report.
There was a lot of optimism in Governor Newsom's tone today as he discussed some of California's recent accomplishments in regards to the coronavirus, including the news that the state is expected to receive 320,000 Johnson & Johnson vaccine doses this week compared to just 21,000 last week.
We are doing more and better to reach out and meet people where they are, not demand people come where we are.
According to Governor Gavin Newsom, California's COVID-19 positivity rate is down to 2.1%, one of the lowest in the United States.
Our case rate's down to 3,200. I mean, it was 53,000 6+ weeks ago.
This accompanied by good news on the vaccine front. Newsom says California is expected to receive 320,000 Johnson & Johnson vaccine doses this week compared to just 21,000 last week.
We're going to see supply increase significantly over the course of the next number of weeks.
Last week, Newsom announced a goal to vaccinate 75,000 educators in a week. Today, he announced the state almost tripled that number, vaccinating 224,000 educators in a week's time. However, while the push to vaccinate educators continues, Newsom says there is still a lot of work to do with allocating doses to rural communities and disadvantaged populations. He says the state is committed to providing 40% of all vaccines under an equity framework.
The question is, how do we make the scarce supply available to those most in need, most impacted? 40% of all the vaccines committed to addressing the needs disproportionately, and let me just be explicit about this, to the Latino community.
Tomorrow, Newsom will be in Los Angeles to deliver his third State of the State address. He also says he expects 12 counties in California to move into less restrictive tiers tomorrow. Reporting from Tulare County, I'm Liv Johnson, KC24, local news that matters.